My name is Tofiga but people just call me the man. I have trained with some of the best senseis in all of the world. I'm only 28 years of age, but I have over 40 years of fighting experience in mixed martial arts. Talofa, once again, your #1 mixed martial arts sensei, Tofiga. Now, last week, I told you the importance of Samoan and how it would help you with a self-defense. Now, I'm going to take you to a whole new level because that was filmed downstairs. Now, what we're going to do now is imagine this situation and how you can use this thing. Imagine me going for a jog. Remember, it's just imagine, it's not a real thing. So just imagine I'm going for a jog in my pictorials, bouncing up and down, real sweating, in the waters of my sweat going up and down like this on the abdominal muscle. And then all of a sudden, the attackers come and meet you in the subway, right out in the open. Okay, now let me explain to you what I was just doing just then. Ronnie, Etu. What happened here was in the Samoan Shiva, you see, we always start like this. That's how you start in the fight. When you show your defense, you are like saying, come on, man, I'm going to smash your face, okay? The reason why you put your hand up like this is because you really love karate kick and you're getting ready for that, okay? In the Samoan Shiva, you see a lot of men that dance like this. You have to follow your hand with your eyes. This hand always goes to the open space. Come over here, right? Between the umbilicals and down here to your shoulder radicals. Come over here and you squeeze it. It makes it give him a shock like that, give him a shock like that. Then he's like feel real paralyzed. Pull him towards here. This hand is what we call the hand, the right hand. This is what I call the right hand. Come right up here to the neck. Just give him a bit of, so he can't breathe like that. So you go, hey. You go over there thinking like, how can I get some more air? Samoan Shiva, coming around like this, get ready for a battle. He come back, the right hand come here, back here on the what we call the necklace. Necklace, over here, hit down like that, give him electrical vibration, come all right down here, he fall down, paralyzed. You stand here to emphasize more of the sprain over here. The reason why you go like this is because you're getting the energy from around the world, pull it together, and then you pull it through here to the currents, let the currents go down, and then just slice like that. Slice like that. And that's it. Game over. He can't walk for the next 2 seconds. That is me, Tofiga.